how to fix the application encountered an unrecoverable error from Roblox. And in order to fix this issue, the first thing that we need to do is completely remove Roblox from our system. So in order to remove the files and cached files, what we're gonna do is go to run and search for %local app data %. And from here, select Roblox and delete the folder. And after that, go to your browser and go to settings and go to privacy and security, go to site settings, and under recent activity, click on view permissions and data is stored across the sites, and here search for Roblox and completely delete the cookies and roblox.com from here. And after that, go to control panel and click on uninstall of program, uninstall both the player and studio for Roblox, and also make sure to uninstall the third-party apps that you have used for Roblox. And after that, reinstall the Roblox again, and after that, go to your Roblox player and right click and go to properties and the compatibility mode, where you can run this program in the compatibility mode for Windows 8 or 7. And also make sure to disable full screen optimization, and also make sure to check on run this program as an administrator and click on apply and click on OK, and this should help to fix your problem. So if you found this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and forget to leave us a like and comment.